our United Nations, our government, our world, is not that interested. The fact that you're watching this, that you've chosen to watch it, means that you're actually motivated to do something. And that, in the end, is the greatest hope the people in Gaza have. We cannot let it go on. If our reporting is worth anything, if your preparedness to listen and watch and read is anything to go by, together we can make a difference.
I don't know where I'm going and I don't know why I'm in it. The game of life, living ain't easy when it's clouded with strife. I'm living with realization, but each step brings me close to death. And each day brings a new sun. And every day the sun sets on thousands of lives inconclusive. So maybe it's time to relax and have some fun. Before it's your time to check out a paradise. The world's half asleep, we gotta wake up and roll the dice. Stop being alive, instead of growling in our armchairs, watching the TV, it's just a suicide. So spit words of truth to a disenfranchised youth. A broken generation, fanning the flames of damnation. A broken world gone wrong, but I ain't listening. Yo, so take me ceremonies in a journey through time. Because I've got such confused notions swirling around in my mind. Yo, an experimentation on mind and soul is essential. Remembering a Buddha taught us has potential to change the world we live in. The economy of a damned, like a rat running a race, cash in hand. Cause the words of a wise are often washed away in a river of lies. But remember, this is one world, and it's one people, and it's one love. Ooh! Smile Zimbabwe, smile Puerto Rico, smile South Africa, smile Colombia, smile Venezuela, smile India, smile Vietnam, smile Syria, smile Morocco, smile Algeciras, smile Senegal, smile Sudan, smile. Smile Afghanistan, smile. Smile Iraq, Iran, smile. Gwenwch Cymru, Gwenwch Cymru, Gwenwch Cymru, Gwenwch Cymru. Undod fy gwybod na syndod, cymuned yn tyfu o'r gofod. Deffro'r Cymru, un cariad.
Together, we can make a difference.